Hello everybody and welcome to this week's AVARigs. I am Wesley and today we are going to talk about this beautiful system. Now let me tell you, this thing is chock full of goodies, a lot of ASUS goodies, which is always a good thing and we know that. But it's got some stuff hidden under in the back. There's a lot of stuff that you can't see, but it's there, I promise you. All right, and we're going to talk about it. So as always, I'm going to break down what is actually inside this system because there is a lot. And then a little bit later, I'm going to pick out the things that I think you guys would like to know the details about. So let's go ahead and start out. This thing is in an NZXT H710i case, which came out back in June. So this is one of the newer NZXT cases, and I'm going to tell you, it's a pretty case. I do enjoy me some NZXT cases. But it also has a 9900K that is overclocked. I don't know how high it's overclocked. I was not provided that information, but it did get the extreme overclock treatment, so it's probably being pushed to the max. And it also has a ROG Strix 2080 Ti. Oh yeah. And this thing is overclocked as well. However, we have not gotten to that portion yet. That will be after the video, so I can't even give you information on that. But just know, it's gonna be up there. It also has a ROG Strix Soar, that's an audio card. So, you know, if you need the super duper fancy stuff for your headphones, you got it. This also has the ROG Thor 1200 watt platinum PSU. However, I will say that you can't see it, and that's a little unfortunate because that thing is very, very flashy and it's pretty, it's appealing. I'm like, yeah, I need that. Also has a 970 EVO Plus 1TB M.2 SSD. It also has a 2TB 860 QVO. Had to look over at my sheet, I ain't gonna lie. 2.5 SSD, and also has a 4TB Western Digital black drive. So lots of space, lots of storage, which is always good. I myself, I love lots of storage. I need it. I just need it. And it also has what I think is really cool because I've actually never really looked at this. It does have the ROG AIO cooler, and if you see right there, it's got some moving pictures. It's real cool. I guess you can customize it too. That's really cool. I need one of those. But let's go ahead and break down what you can actually do with this system and what makes this thing so appealing. I didn't forget to mention the motherboard, the RAM, memory, and one thing in here that is really, really awesome. So let's go ahead and start with the thing that's really, really awesome. So these cables are actually modded cables, so they're customized sleeved cables, and it's really, they're black. You can get them in a lot of colors, but I like them. They're cool. It's a little touch, it's a little personalization, and that's what we do here. We personalize everything for you. The motherboard is an ASUS ROG Maximus Hero 11. It's a nice motherboard. I like that. I think I'm gonna get one myself. And we also have 32 gigabytes of Dominator Platinum RGB memory from Corsair, and it's clocked at 3200 megahertz. Now, I think the biggest features here are going to be the overclocked CPU and the overclocked GPU, and that is going to enable you to do. So obviously, you're going to be able to run all the AAA titles. You're going to get lots of frames. The performance is going to be beautiful, and it's going to look beautiful. You're going to have that thing cranked, you know, to the max, and you know, who doesn't want that? But overall, this is a really, really cool build, mostly because it does have all the ASUS products in it, and I mean, it's just a very powerful system, you know. And of course, you can do some workstation stuff on here to an extent. However, you're not going to get the type of performance workstation-wise that you would get with a 9940X or a 9980XE CPUs of that nature. However, it is going to enable you to do a lot of things. So video editing, streaming, and gaming at the same time. It's going to have the power to do a lot for you. But speaking on that, maybe here soon I will talk about a workstation build, because we did bring that up in conversation because we haven't done one in a while. But that is obviously a video for another time. But overall, I would say this is going to be a very, very enjoyable system for the user that is going to be using it. and the possibilities are almost endless for what you can do with this system. All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, that's all the time I have for this beautiful system today. I'm gonna hate to see it go because it's very pretty. However, you can have a system just like this. If you're interested, all you have to do is go to AVADirect.com, or you can call our wonderful sales team. All the phone numbers and everything you might need are at our website. But again, thank you for joining me and putting up with me. I know I'm a lot to put up with. Trust me, if you watch the live streams, you know. But other than that, I hope everyone has a great rest of your day, and we'll see you next time.
If you'd like to have the PC in this video, or need help building one that's right for you, please visit the link in this description. You can choose from one of our pre-built gaming or workstation systems, or use our simple configurator to design one to meet your unique needs. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you liked this video, and be sure to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram for even more, at AVADirect.